Chicken Man, Chicken Darryl. It feels so tender. What's up, good people? It's the evening, nighttime in the kitchen. And I came up with a grand idea of do something with these chicken breasts. And I made some pickles, and I'm coming down to the end of them. And I'm gonna use this pickle brine to go with the chicken breasts. So we're gonna do something special with them. So let's get to trimming these fresh chicken breasts up. I like getting fresh chicken breasts rather than the frozen ones. The frozen ones are already pre-brined. So that's why I get the fresh chicken breasts. I can do what I want with them. I get more out of them when I split them. And let's get to it, y'all. All right, y'all, let's split them in two. All right. Get them nice and flat like that. Go ahead, split them. So there's two ways you can split them. Y'all seen both ways. We're gonna try to do a sandwich with them. So let me go ahead and cut that right there. Should be enough for a nice cutlet. You know, fix it up the way you want to. It's gonna be your chicken breast. So those there are definitely gonna be some nice hefty sandwiches. All right, let's get them brined up. Keep this hand clean. Get that pickle juice up in there. All right, got that brine on them now. Yes, ooh. I made them pickles there, they smell good. All right, going in the fridge overnight. I get home from work, we gonna be cooking together, y'all. All right, see y'all tomorrow. All right, everybody, you see we got our seasons laid out for our dry portion of the batter. Got our flour, some cornstarch, and our measuring cups. So let's get everything going. All right, let's get our flour in here first. We're going with AP, all-purpose flour. We're gonna do a cup and a half. A fourth cup of cornstarch. And with the seasonings, it's gonna be straightforward. A teaspoon of all of them. Teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons paprika, and 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. I guess that's a teaspoon of mustard powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper for some kick. Stir it up. See, that's about all the seasoning we need on there because the chicken is gonna already be brine with the pickle juice. So we got enough salt that's gonna be on the internal. We just wanna have a little flavor on our crust. All right, we'll be back with the wet dredge. All right, folks, it is the next day. Here goes our chicken, nicely brined. It's dried off, simple as that. I'm going straight into my mix right there. Now I'm gonna do these eggs up. All right, let me get my grease. Come on up to temp. And we're going to finish getting this chicken coated and ready to go up in there. All right, be right back, y'all. My little mini station here. Put that on up in there. Throw that back. Crispity crackety. Oh, a little more. That's how you know it's gonna have that crispity crackety.
That's good.
Wash my hands off. Alright, so we just gonna do like the old trick, like mom and them used to do with the paper bag. But we just doing it like this. Get it all shaking up on there. Remember that commercial they used to do, shake and bake?
Yeah.
See, there we go, y'all. We ready. 359 degrees. Let's get on up in there. Nice and smooth. Simple as that, y'all. We're going to give it about 10 minutes. All right, be back. This is what we call the flippity flip. Halfway in. This is at 4 minutes, y'all. All right, be back. All right, it's time to come out. Ooh-wee. Chicken Man, Chicken Darryl. 9 minutes. Woo-wee, baby. All right, so I'm gonna let this cool down, and then I'm gonna get it all dressed up. Boy, it's smelling good. All right, we'll be back. All right, so we got brioche buns. I think that's what they use. I think Popeyes use brioche buns. We gonna go ahead and get these toasted. And I'm using mayo to toast these babies.
I like when you toast them with mayo.
Yeah, I think enough people they up on that. They up on toasting it with the mayo. If you're not, man, this is the way to go. Try it out. It'll change the way you toast your buns. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Get these toasted and let you see how beautiful these toasted buns are gonna look. And y'all, we're gonna make our sauce real quick. Some mayo. We're gonna do a little Dijon mustard and some of my pickle juice. How about that? It's gonna be delicious.
Have fun with your food.
They don't feast their eyes on that, baby. Let me go check on these buns. All right, y'all. We ready? Shawan was in the background singing, "Where that chicken at? Where that chicken at?"
I'm ready.
All right. Ooh, them buns looking nice. They looking nice. Oh. Let's do some top and bottom sauce. How about that? It feels so tender. Young tender! Let's see what we got.
Ooh, it's crunchy, juicy.
Mm-hmm.
Where's that chicken?
Man, it's bomb diggity there. Look how moist that is. Woo! All right. We did that, baby. I'm telling you. Tell your mom and them about this. They ain't gonna wanna go to Popeyes no more. All right, y'all. I'm about to finish up eating.